It is a cool day at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and I'm going to check out Galaxy's Edge. And there is no line to get a picture made with Grogu for our baby, so we're going to start off the day doing that. Next, we're going to hop over to the Droid Depot and check this out front. These droids actually move and make noise and stuff. Now, we'll hop in the Droid Depot, see what we can find. I look at these every time, but this is like the nicest popcorn bowl that you could probably ever have. I assume it's a mixing bowl, but I would put popcorn in it. But at $75, I still do not have that popcorn bowl. Got some smaller ones over there as well. It also looks like they have the new mystery droid boxes out. So I've bought some of these a while back, but these are new boxes. They're $16.99. You're not sure what's going to be inside, but it'll be one of these, I guess, 6 droids. And you do put it together, which I think is cool. They come in a bunch of different pieces. So $16.99, not bad. And you get 20% off for your annual pass holder discount. And this is the main attraction of the Droid Depot. You actually get to build your own droid. Check out all those droid props back there. See them flying across the ceiling. And then, of course, the stations where you can build your droid. I'm not 100% sure the price on this. It's cheaper than a lightsaber. But still, it's more about the experience. Very cool, though. You can see here all the parts coming through that you can pick and use for your droids. This is just an awesome experience. And then here's a closer look at all of these droids that are just hanging around the depot. Lots of BB units for sure. Here's the first big ship we're gonna see today. This is actually like a prop from what was gonna be The Rise of Skywalker, Duel of the Fates. And it's concept art, and they actually brought the thing here. So occasionally you'll see like stormtroopers and Kylo Ren popping out of this thing as well. And there's the money shot, seeing the Millennium Falcon in real life. Always the coolest thing you'll do here. The rides are fun, but this for me is by far the coolest thing here. Actually getting to see the Falcon.
Oh my goodness, Willow's so cute!
You must be important. The creator wants to see you.
Next up is going to be Doc Ondar's Den of Antiquities, and check out these statues out here. So cool. This shop in here, though, it has like all the fun stuff. So let's go hop inside. Here we go. Now, this place you can buy the replica lightsabers. You'll see a lot of those in here, but they have other stuff as well. If you've seen any of my other Galaxy's Edge vlogs, you'll know that these are some of my favorite things to get. Is a mystery box. You get one of these items. This is actually an older one. They have a newer one of these out, but have some from each. The Holocron, Plo Koon, Mandalorian. These are fun, and the price on these is $15, so you get it for like $12 if you have an annual pass. Here are the new ones that I was talking about. So you can see on here, Darth Maul, Ezra's Lothal helmet, Clone Trooper, looks like a Tauntaun, a few other things, but you can actually see them up here. Look at that Darth Maul. That would be cool to have. Here's Doc Ondar himself. And you could spend hours in here just looking at all of the stuff, all of the props. So much cool stuff. This might be the craziest deal I've ever seen here. $40 for the Galaxy's Edge X-Wing helmet. Was $80, so that is half off. You don't see those deals very often here. Over here, you're going to see the holocrons. You can get a Jedi or a Sith holocron. I think the Sith ones are pretty cool, though. You can buy a kyber crystal down here, and then you can put it in the holocron and it'll talk to you. It'll be a different character for each one. There used to be an obsidian black one. Not sure if that's still a thing or not though. And over here we have the Jedi ones. They used to be blue, but now they're green. It's pretty cool. And then a lot of different light side kyber crystals as well. I have a yellow and a green one. Pretty cool to have a white one though. I think they're always selling out of purple, but today looks like they have some purple ones in stock as well. Pretty neat. Check this out. Sabine Wren's helmet. And then an Ahsoka Tano doll. $140. Looks like you can get an Ahsoka outfit here as well. Darth Maul sculpture up there. Let's go check this side out. Got Kylo Ren robes. The Galactic ice cream maker here. You can buy some Imperial credits to store in there. And then check out this Ren helmet. That's actually pretty new. 80 bucks. It's pretty awesome. And this Vader lightsaber box comes with both of these, so the Anakin and Vader sabers. 550 bucks. There's also a deal on the Rey lightsaber, only 100 bucks right now. Let's see all the others that they have too. Lots to choose from. That High Republic one looks pretty cool. Now this next part at Galaxy's Edge is just a bunch of shops. Pretty well themed too though, but we'll hop in a few, see what they're selling. Check out this, we got a Porg, some checkers. Check these out. It's like a Tervis Yeti type cup. 30 bucks. This thing is solid too. Like this would not be a bad coffee cup. Oga's Cantina themed. Get you a blue milk cup. This is just a plastic cup, but still cool for the blue milk. Don't see a price on that one though. Yeah, can't be that much though. Black Spire Outpost. I think these are neat too, so it's kind of sideways, but you can see here it's got a Rise of the Resistance, see there, poster, and then a Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run poster, and then just a Galaxy's Edge poster. These are $100, but they do look really nice. Next up, this is the reason I actually drove all the way to Galaxy's Edge today. We're going to grab a Ronto wrap, which is by far the best theme park food you can buy, and you can even see where they roast the Ronto at. And here is said Ronto wrap. It's like smoked turkey, a sausage link, and also some slaw in there with some sauce on a pita. It is very good. Now, I have cut the audio out of this because I don't want to get copyrighted, but I'm going to go ride Star Tours. Have not ridden this in years because I usually get motion sick, but we'll see how it goes.
Star Tours is proud to introduce the Star Speeder 1000, the most sophisticated...
How about you? Where are you? Oh, hold on a second. I would love to see the universe. Yeah, but as you can see, I have this very important job.
Wait! R2-D2.
Star Tours was a lot of fun, and then once you get off, you can actually buy the spaceship you were on here. Or the hat. Or the jacket. And of course, you can't ride Star Tours without grabbing a Wookiee cookie right next door.